Welcome to GigaBits. In today's age of research and content creation, having an AI tool that helps you find, summarize, and evaluate academic papers or online sources is more valuable than ever. Two of the most talked about apps are Elicit and Consensus AI. Elicit promotes itself as the AI researcher's assistant that can help you generate literature reviews and find evidence. Consensus AI promises fast, accurate answers based on a broad range of academic sources. But in 2026, which one will truly dominate the space? Will Elicit's deep research capabilities beat Consensus's lightning-fast summarization and credibility scoring? Let's dive in and decide which app is likely to win. To compare Elicit and Consensus, I used them side by side for 3 weeks while working on 3 distinct research tasks: writing a review of recent AI developments, investigating a scientific hypothesis, and preparing a short literature summary for a project. I tested both tools on their ability to source relevant papers, summarize findings, rank evidence, and help me draft sections of text. I also reviewed feedback from academic users, PhD students, and researchers in online communities. With both real-world testing and expert insight, here's how these 2 platforms perform in 2026. Elicit claims to provide AI-driven literature search for academic papers, structured relevant summaries of research, intelligent filtering based on your research question, generating outlines or literature review content, exportable notes, and reference data. A powerful assistant for deep academic work, Consensus AI claims to provide fast summarization of scientific and web sources, answer generation with credibility, scoring, real-time synthesis of studies, articles, and evidence, easy user-friendly interface for non-academic users, verified claims backed by trust scores, a knowledge engine built for fast, trustworthy answers. Those are bold promises, but which one delivers more value in the real world? Step 1. Research capability. Elicit's strength lies in deep, structured academic search. In my tests, it found relevant papers from a wide range of sources, including less common journals. It offered filters by year, relevance, and citation count, which helped me create a solid literature outline. Consensus, on the other hand, leaned more on summarizing existing findings. It quickly surfaced key points from multiple sources, but sometimes missed very niche or technical studies that weren't well cited on the web. Step 2. Answer quality and summaries. With Elicit, I was able to generate detailed summaries plus research outlines, but it took a bit more tweaking to refine the content. Consensus gave me fast, readable answers with evidence support, charts, and ratings of reliability. For quick insight or validation, Consensus felt more natural. For deep academic work, Elicit offered more control. Step 3. Speed and efficiency. Consensus is lightning fast. I typed questions like effective transformer models on NLP or recent advances in zero-shot learning, and it returned summarizations, studies, and evidence in seconds. Elicit was slower during heavy research tasks, but its structured output paid off when working on more complex writing. Step 4. Evidence and references. Elicit gives you a list of papers with direct links, abstracts, and key quantifiable data. You can dig into source material easily. Consensus gives a summary and evidence score but doesn't always provide full paper links or detailed PDFs. It excels for high-level insights rather than raw academic deep dives. Step 5. User experience and interface. Elicit's interface is data-driven but has a learning curve. It feels more like a productivity tool for researchers. Consensus is user-friendly, very lightweight, and works well for students, professionals, or anyone wanting credible summary-level knowledge quickly. Step 6. Accuracy versus credibility. In tests, Elicit's research summaries were deeply accurate, but required you to check sources. Consensus's verdicts felt credible because of its scoring system, but the truth score sometimes oversimplified conflicting studies. For strong research, you may need to use Consensus as a guide, not a final authority. Step 7. Limitations. Elicit isn't as quick for generating short summaries, and its advanced features may be overkill for casual research. Consensus, while fast and user-friendly, doesn't always reach every niche academic publication, and its evidence scoring can mislead when studies conflict strongly. So which app will win in 2026, Elicit or Consensus? Elicit is likely to win for academic researchers, scientists and students, deep literature reviews, thesis writing and structured research. Users needing detailed reference lists, paper metadata and source links. Consensus is likely to win for professionals, writers and curious non-academics. Quick, trustworthy summaries of research and evidence. People who need fast insight and a simple way to check credibility. Bottom line, choose Elicit if you want a powerful, research-focused assistant. Choose Consensus if you want a fast, accessible tool for credible summaries and insights. Both will thrive in 2026, but in different spaces. If this comparison helped you decide whether Elicit or Consensus is better for your research style, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We dig deep into AI research tools every week, so you pick the smartest tool for your work.